All right, so I'm gonna give some fucking huge props to the fucking Bayou Viking, James Childress, because front squats, while are one of the fucking best exercises for your quads, they're also, for big guys, one of the hardest ones to do properly, because what you need is the mobility in your fingers and your wrists to be able to get into that front squat position. So as you can see, I don't have that mobility there. I need to work on that stretching in the wrist. What I've been doing is an alternate grip for the front squat that's not the safest. It's by using the cross collar, which is where I put my thumb here, cross, put my thumb here, and then I set the bar on my front delts and bring it up. Okay? One of the new methods that Mr. Childress introduced that I admittedly had never seen before is using a pair of straps, the same ones that you guys without grip strength use for your deadlifts and your lat pull downs, including me, because when I go above like 500 pounds on deadlift, I have to use these. But to get that mobility, you can hold the straps instead of putting your fingers on the bar to perform the front squat. Okay. As a review for the video that James did last week, you guys got to remember, with a front squat, we're not hinging at our hips. The term that he used was knee break. You're hinging at the knees. Your back is staying this way, up and down, okay? And you're bending at your knees. So if I'm in the proper front squat position, I got my bar, I'm squatting down this way. Instead of with a back squat, right, where I have the bar on my shoulders, I'm squatting this way and hinging at the hips. With the front squat, I'm hinging at the knees, okay? If you don't have that mobility, try the straps method. It works pretty good.